song that was out a few months ago, and I guess it was the craziest song that was out at the time because I wrote it because I do little crazy things once in a while. Well, this is a song about home appliances of all things. And we'd like for you to participate with us a little bit. It's about a washing machine. So play it, guys. Now, I was going to start with me a little bit. Now, if I was going to invent a dance called the washing machine, I would think it would go something like this. You know, like one of those things that's sharing a washing machine like this. Clap your hands. Gonna put you in the washing machine. I'm gonna wash and wash until you come clean. Every night you do it, you're gonna look brand new. Soon you will see what I mean. I'm gonna put you in my washing machine. You got the makings of a beautiful dream. Yeah, you're a diamond in the rough, and if I love you enough, you shine like a new moonbeam. Listen, you got too much class to be smoking that grass. Streets ain't where you belong. Then you got what it takes to make a beautiful cake. I wanna slice it along. If I jump into my washing machine and let me cover you with diamonds and things. Whenever you try, you're gonna open your eyes like the cover of some magazine. Everybody clap your hands. Let me hear you now. All you in the back there. Take it up. Well, you got too much class to be smoking that grass. Streets ain't the way you belong. Well, you got what it takes to make a beautiful cake. I wanna slice it alone. There's some jump into my washing machine. Let me cover you with diamonds and things. Then when you cry, you're gonna hold me around. I can cover like some magazine. Everybody with one more time. Take it up. Well, you got too much class to be smoking that grass. Streets ain't where you belong. Well, you got what it takes to make a beautiful cake. I wanna slice it along. I'm gonna put you in my washing machine. I'm gonna wash it till you come clean. Well, when I can do it, you're gonna look at you. Soon you will see what I mean. I'm gonna put you in my washing machine. 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 Now, put you in my washing machine. Now comes your time. Put you in my washing machine. We got it turned down real low now. We'd like for everybody to participate with us a little bit. Just get everybody clapping their hands just like this. Everybody. All you on the left over here. Everybody in the middle. Some of you in the back there. Everybody on the right. Now, we just keep right on clapping. And watch me real careful. You see me swaying back and forth like this. Want everybody to kind of sway back and forth with me.
I haven't got room.
Everybody, let's see if we can do that. Now these right here, you gotta sway this way and that way. You gotta sway the same way. If you don't, somebody's gonna bend something. Yeah. Well, everybody to sway back and forth with me. Now, that'll remember your hips up good. Now we got everybody swaying back and forth. I just want to let you in on a little secret. Now you know how I feel up here. Put you in my washing machine. Put you in my washing machine. Oh yeah. Put you in my washing machine. Put you in my washing machine. And just sing along with me, we'll bring this down this way. Put you in my washing machine. I'm gonna put you in my washing machine. I'm gonna put you in my washing machine. Oh, put you in my washing machine. Oh, put you in my washing machine. I'm gonna put you in my washing machine. Thank you.
Yay!